Hi friend, today I show you the how to replace the crankshaft oil seal of the small engine. This is also having a fiber type oil seal. First we remove the oil seal like this one. When enter the screwdriver and press the continuous, then oil seal away from its original place. And after that, when removing the oil seal, then we can clean the surface from the waste cotton like this one. And this one is the new crankshaft oil seal. And then we can fit it like this one and slightly press inside the crankshaft and it will be fitted like this one. This is the process for replacement of the crankshaft oil seal in the field. This is very easy.